Once upon a morning, there was a young woman who stood in front of the mirror, unsure of her own worth. She wondered if she was enough, if she could achieve her dreams, and if the world would ever recognize her light. But today, she decided to pause and breathe. She closed her eyes and whispered to herself, "I am worthy. I am capable. I am enough." With each breath, she felt a gentle shift inside her heart. The worries that had held her back seemed lighter, and a new energy filled her, an energy of confidence, of hope, and of gratitude. She remembered that every step she had taken in her life had brought her here, and every challenge she faced had taught her strength. She imagined a day where she moved through the world with grace and courage, where she embraced her talents, her creativity, and her uniqueness. In her mind, she painted a picture of her ideal life, not perfect, but full of growth, love, and joy. As she opened her eyes, she realized that the beauty she sought outside had always been inside her. Her smile, her thoughts, her kindness, her creativity, they were all reflections of her into the bright, creative, and resilient girl she was today. Alara imagined herself walking confidently into the world, sharing her talents, her ideas, and her light. She pictured days filled with laughter, learning, and moments of pure joy. In her mind, she created a vision of her life, a life of growth, kindness, and endless possibilities. As she looked into her reflection, she saw not only her face, but the spirit within her, a spirit full of curiosity.